Hello, you lovely people. This is me, the Bombay Chef Varun Inamdar, and welcome to Get Curried. Well, keeping the thought of curries in mind, today's curry is a Malai curry. Well, Malai means cream. Let's make a creamy curry from the heart of India. Let's begin. While for this creamy Malai curry, I'm going to use a specific set of ingredients that, of course, are available in all kitchen pantries across the globe. However, you can bring in your exotic vegetables and also make this. Let me also promise and tell you, trust me, it's going to be wonderful. First things first is to make a paste of red onions and keep that aside, and then immediately move on to making another paste, which is going to be the herb and spice paste. Beginning with coriander leaves, let's add in some chilies. Green, of course. I'm going to add in cumin seeds, black peppercorn, garam masala, of course in its powdered form, cashew nuts to bring in that creaminess and richness in the curry, and almonds, of course, to add to it. Let's cover this and grind this into a fine paste. Our paste is done and ready. Let's move on to the curry. Let's begin with oil in a wok and fry a couple of ingredients, beginning with cashew nuts. Let's fry this till the cashews turn golden brown in color. Let's collect all of this in a deep bowl. Time to add in cottage cheese. Let's move on to some vegetables, beginning with beans, moving on to red carrots, and finally some fresh garden peas. Move this around for a couple of seconds here and there. At this stage, to bring out the taste and flavor of each vegetable and its individuality, I'm going to add in salt and toss this quickly. Let's transfer these vegetables in the bowl again. In the same oil, let's begin with bay leaves and along with this, paste of red onions. Let's fry this till the raw flavor of onion goes away. And then we'll add in the paste that we just made a couple of minutes back. Let's cook this paste till the oil starts releasing the side of the pan. Let's add in the vegetables, cottage cheese and cashew nuts, of course, to this curry mix. A touch of salt, remembering the fact that salt was already added in the vegetables. The water from the blender, of course. And finally, some more water. Stir this well and ensure the vegetables are cooked to the doneness of your choice. Finally, let's also stir in some cream and allow this to cook. One quick stir, and with this, your Veg Malai Curry is done and ready. Well, lots of cream, lots of love, lots of cashews, lots of vegetables, lots of paneer, lots of family friends. Bring them all. Serve them this and let me know how you like this in the comment section. Bye for now.